Hello students, today here we will discuss Class 4 English Lesson number 4, The Hidden Treasure. Activities number 4, 5 and 6. Let's start our discussion with activity number 4. Read the following sentences from the text once again and underline the joining words. Students, here we are asked to read the text given below once again and we are asked to underline the joining words. Students, do you remember the joining word we discussed in activity number 3? We used the joining words and, because, but to join two sentences. Now here we are asked to underline those joining words. Let's read the text first. Pankaj and Rajan were very lazy and never liked to work. Madhav was worried because his sons were lazy. One day he told his sons that there was a hidden treasure in the field. They dug up the whole field but found no treasure. Students, let's first underline the joining word and. Thereafter underline the joining word because. Then underline the joining word but. Okay students, now let's see what's given in the second part of the question. Now rewrite the following sentences using and, but and because. Students, notice here below 3 questions are given and in each question there are 2 sentences and a joining word is written beside these sentences. We are asked to rewrite the following sentences by using the joining word given inside bracket beside these sentences. Okay? A. Pankaj was a lazy boy. Full stop. Rajan was a lazy boy. Full stop. And the joining word given here is and. Students, we will write this sentence as Pankaj and Rajan were lazy boys. Students, notice here, since we are talking about the plural form, so here we will write were instead of was and boys in place of boy. Okay, students? B. Pankaj never liked to work. Full stop. He was lazy. Full stop. And the joining word given here is because. We can rewrite the sentences as Pankaj never liked to work because he was lazy. C. They dug up the field. Full stop. They did not find treasure. Full stop. And the joining word given here is but. We can write the sentence as they dug up the field but did not find treasure. Okay students, now let's see what's given in activity number 5. Use and or but to join the sentences and write them. Students, here we are asked to use the joining words and or but to join the sentences given below. Students, in the earlier video I told you that we use but when we join 2 sentences or 2 ideas that are opposite in meaning. So while doing this question, remember it. A. She went to the shop. Full stop. She bought 2 apples. Students, notice the 2 sentences. Here a girl is doing 2 things. First, she went to the shop Second, she bought apples from the shop. So, we can join the sentences by using the joining word and. We can write the sentence as she went to the shop and bought 2 apples. B. We played well. Full stop. We lost the match. Full stop. Students, notice here both the sentences are showing opposite meaning. So, we will use the word but to join the sentences, and we can write the sentence as we played well but lost the match. See, I liked the dress. Full stop. Rita did not like it. Full stop. Students, here also both the sentences are showing opposite meaning. So, we will use the joining word but to join the sentences. We can write the sentence as I liked the dress but Rita did not like it. D. She came home. Full stop. She watched television. Full stop. Here, students, the girl is doing 2 things. So, we will use the word and join the sentences, and we can write it as she came home and watched television. E. We went to the park. Full stop. We waited for Rahul. Full stop. Students, here also they are doing 2 things. They went to the park and in the park they waited for Rahul. So we will use the joining word and join the sentences. The sentence will be we went to the park and waited for Rahul. Okay students, write this activity in your notebook. Now let's see what's given in activity number 6. 6a. Let's read the sentences. They all ends with an exclamation mark because they show delight or surprise. Students, look below. Here we are given 5 sentences and notice all the sentences end with a symbol. The symbol is known as exclamation mark. We put the exclamation mark to show our delight or surprise. Students, listen carefully to the sentences. I will be reading them. All of you try to read them at home. 1. How tasty the meal is. 2. What an obedient child. 3. What an interesting story. 4. How wonderful the weather is. 5. What a beautiful dress. Okay students, now let's see what's given in the second part of the activity. 6b. Pankaj and Rajan are delighted because they would be rich one day. Rearrange the words in the sentences below. Remember to use exclamation mark at the end and capital letter at the beginning. Students, here we are asked to rearrange the words in the sentences given below. 4 sentences are given and we are asked to begin the sentence with a capital letter and use exclamation mark at the end. 1. Here treasure look is the. We can write this sentence as the treasure is here. Look. 2. Will be ours treasure all the treasure will be ours. 3. Yours now it's look. It's yours now. Look. 4. How Pankaj, Rajan excited and where. How excited Pankaj and Rajan were. Okay students, is it clear? It's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss activity number 7, 8 and 9. Thank you everybody.